Good morning, chess lovers. Welcome back to GMG Chess. As Zig Ziglar said, it's not how far you fall, but how high you bounce that count. Now, let's analyze one of the most amazing games of all time. It features the power of rook cutting the black king on the board, prevents him to castle, and paralyzes the other black pieces. It is the game of the former world champion Wilhelm Steinitz against Bonbar de Leben in Hastings 1895. Let's see. Steinitz played e4. This is the best try. If you want to learn a lot in chess, wherein you can encounter open, semi-open, and close position, and at the same time complex positions. Bonbar de Leben reply e5, knight f3, a multi-purpose move, developing the knight at the same time attacking the pawn at e5. Knight c6, defending the pawn at e5 at the same time developing a piece. Bishop c4, bishop c5. We call this Gokyo piano opening. c3, a very popular move before, during 19th century. Knight f6, d4, fighting for the center. E takes d4, c takes d4, bishop b4 check, a tempo gaining move for black. Otherwise, if black retreat to b6, white can accelerate his attack by e5. Knight c3, a move already advocated by Grego during 17th century. White is giving up a pawn for tempo and attack. White can easily play bishop d2. Then bishop takes d2, knight takes d2, then d5. The position is equal, but white wants to give up a pawn for attack. d5. Black immediately challenged the white center, but the downside is the e file now become open and very useful for white. Nowadays, black play knight takes e4. As Wilhelm Steinitz said, if you cannot calculate the sacrifice, the good try is to accept it. After knight takes e4, castle, bishop takes c3, d takes c3, d5, and black position is prepared. Then after d5, e takes d5, opens up the e file and very useful for white. Knight takes d5, castle. As chess principle said, castle early, otherwise your king becomes stranded in the center. And after you castle, you can make a good plan, because planning needs the safety of the king. Otherwise, your opponent can easily counterattack your king. Bishop e6, developing a piece. A good try is bishop takes c3, then castle. Then bishop g5, a developing move which threatens something, attacking the black queen. Bishop e7, a dubious move. Black bishop is okay at b4, attacking the knight and controlling the e1 square for white rook in case white knight capture the black knight at d5. The best try is queen d7. Then black has two options to castle, either queen side or king side. Knight takes d5, bishop takes d5, queen b3, bishop takes f3, queen takes f3, castle. Black is okay because this bishop is controlling the important e1 square, which is very useful for white rook because it is in the open file. After bishop e7, bishop takes d5, bishop takes d5, knight takes d5. As principal, eliminating all the defenders of your opponent. Queen takes d5, bishop takes e7, knight takes e7. Now let's focus on this position. In chess, if you want to win, you must create a good plan based on the given position. But in this game, white already castle, and black king stranded in the center, and the knight can be pinned along the e-file. In this position, the good plan is to pin the knight at e-file. Rook e1, taking pressure along the e-file. Black cannot castle, but he comes into safety by artificial castling. f6, then controlling the important e5 square, then giving up the f7 square for black king, followed by rook h to e8, artificial castle. Queen e2, increasing the pressure along the e-file. Queen d7, protecting the knight at e7. The same with queen d6. Then rook ac1. Chess principle, place your rook in the open file and develop pieces as soon as possible. c6. A waste of time. As principle said, avoid queen as soon as possible. At first glance, black is creating a solid position, but later on, Wilhelm Stennett destroy black positions. Necessary is king f7. Queen takes e7 check. Queen takes e7. Rook takes e7 check. King takes e7. Rook takes c7 check. King d6. In this position, black is slightly better based on engine. But in human analysis, white is easier to play than black, as annotated by Tarrasch. After c6, d5, a good sacrifice, creating outposts at d4 for knight, followed by knight f5, and opens up the c file. C takes d5, knight d4, king f7, knight e6, a multi-purpose move. Rook c7, controlling the 7th rank, or knight takes g7, king takes g7, then queen takes e7. Rook hc8, protecting the important c7 square. Queen g4, good move, attacking the pawn at g7 and discover attack by knight g5 check. Black has no real solution in this position. If knight g6, blocking the g7, then knight g5 check, followed by queen takes d7. If rook g8, rook c7. And the last one is g6, which was played in the game. Knight g5 check, king e8 force, otherwise white can capture the black queen at d7 free. Rook takes e7, a paradoxical move, which is considered one of the most amazing move and amazing game of all time. And this is one of the most viewed in our chess videos. King f8. If queen takes rook, then rook takes c8 check, rook takes c8, queen takes c8, then white is one piece up. If king takes e7, rook e1 check, king d6, queen b4 check, rook c5, rook e6 check, and white is winning, followed by queen takes c5. After king f8, rook f7 check. White cannot capture the black queen by either rook takes d7 or queen takes d7 because of his weak back rank. Checkmate at rook c1. King g8. If black queen capture the rook, then rook takes c8, rook takes c8, queen takes c8 check. Or king e8, queen takes d7 checkmate. Rook g7, a paradoxical move. King h8, again the same. If queen capture, rook takes c8, or if king capture, then queen takes d7 with check. After king h8, rook takes h7. At this point, Bonbar-de-Leben resigned, knowing that all moves are forced. After rook h7 check, king g8, rook g7 check. Now if king h8, the h file now is open, and white can check in the h file. If king f7, followed by knight h7 check, king takes g7, queen takes g7, and white can easily pick up all other black pieces. After king h8, queen h4, the rest are forced. King takes g7, queen h7 check, king f8, queen h8 check, force, king e7, queen g7 check, king e8, queen g8 check, king e7 force, queen f7 check, king d8, queen f8 check, queen e8 force, knight f7, king d7 force, then queen d6 checkmate. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you and have a nice day.